it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me in my undated Bloom Daily Planners notebook. And today is the 25th, right? Yeah, I was like to double check. So let me just go ahead and, I think I checked everything off. I got to move this over because I didn't do that. So let's go ahead and start with dating it and then planning out what we're going to be eating today. What did I say? The 25th. For breakfast, I feel like I want to have some avocado toast because I've got some avocado I need to use up. And then that's going to be 4 points. And I follow Weight Watchers, so that's what those points are. For lunch, I think I'm just going to have leftover pizza from last night, but I'm going to keep it to a maximum of 10 points for that. And then for dinner, what was for dinner today? Let me check my meal planner. So dinner, oh, okay, chili. I need to make chili today. This is my B610 from Simply Gilded, from the Simply Gilded box. I will be sharing that setup very soon over on my YouTube channel. I'll be doing like a flip through and stuff. So chili is great because that is a 0 point meal, except for I'll do 1 point for sour cream. And then today, I don't know if I want to walk 10K. I've been doing really, really good. I think that this entire month I've only missed a couple of days, which is great. And I kind of want to keep that momentum going, and I did manage to do it even last Saturday, even with working from home. But the only thing is, like, I feel like, I don't know, maybe I need like a break, you know, like you need a rest day, and maybe I'll just say, like, let's walk 6,000 today. So that way I could just, like, you know, have like a little bit of a rest day kind of. And for today, I'm grateful that it's actually something that happened yesterday, but my in-laws came and dropped by and brought us some crumble cookies. What did I just put crookies? I don't know. They brought us some crumble cookies. If you don't have a crumble near you, then I apologize, but they are so amazing. They're so good. And, you know, they didn't like come in the house or anything. They just like leave it at our doorstep. So I thought that was really nice of them to do. Okay, so what do I need to do today? So I didn't plan with my son, which I have to go ahead and make sure I make that a priority. Because I always end up pushing it off until it's like already Monday or Tuesday of the next week. I also need to do the closet today and film my plan with me. This I can manage to do before work. I have to clock in at 11. So I can do this at like 10 o'clock. And then I need to like, let's see, let's go ahead and put for important times. Because I have to work from home. From 11 to 4, and then after that I'm going to do my plan with me from 4 to 5, and then I'm going to work on the closet. I'm just going to do like half an hour today, just as long as we're working on it every day, my husband and I. And then I do need to work on cleaning our room a little bit more, our bedroom. I'll do that until 6, and then that's when I'll start dinner. And then I'll go on my after dinner walk to hit that 6,000. So I think that that's a pretty good plan right there. So my priorities today are to, let me double check my planner too. Oh yeah, the comments and the YouTube stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm dragging stickers all over the place. Okay, so plan with my son. And also I forgot to write what I'm going to be doing when I'm working from home. So I guess I'll write it down here. Meal planning. Replying to YouTube comments. I try to do that throughout the week now too, since I'm home all the time, but just in case I don't. Checking my emails. That's pretty much, I think, all I generally do, like laptop stuff. Okay, so planning with my son is obviously filming my plan with me, and I'm gonna say cleaning the bedroom. Needs to be deep cleaned, so. The pen that I used today was the Paper Mate Joy Gel 1.0, and that is everything for this plan with me. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out, and definitely subscribe if you're not already, if you would like to see more videos like this from me. since I do make these daily, and I also do weekly plan with me's, monthly plan with me's and such. So definitely be sure you're subscribed, please. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.